I've been attached with the feeling of waking up with you by my side.
Trending na at pinag-uusapan sa social media ang bawat kaganapan ng ating Bel Mariano na kung saan ay meron nga itong event kahapon sa Dunkin. At ito nga ang Be My Bel na talagang dinumog nga na maraming bablis at syempre meron nga rin dito ang mga katanungan at hindi rin talaga nakaligtas itong ating Bel Mariano dito. Narito nga guys sa nasabing video, sabay-sabay nating panoorin.
I can, yes, okay. Opo. Opo, sasagutin ko po.
Okay.
Until when do you plan to be in a love team? That's what she asked. You know, I really love working with Donnie. No, seryoso, kasi it's such, our set is so light when he's there. And I guess because I've been working with him for a while, there's this sense of secureness I feel when I work with him. Security pala, sorry. Sorry po. So, ang kampate po ako pagka-work siya. So, until when, I don't know. But so far, I'm really enjoying working with him. And I like working with him.
Guys, happy ba kayo doon? Alright! Happy sila for that question.
At kaya naman umani nga ito ng maraming komento dahil meron nga raw assurance at secureness ito ang ating Donnie kay Bel Mariano. Kaya naman stay tuned lang tayo for more updates sa ating Donnie at Bel sa mga susunod pa na ayuda dahil marami pa talaga tayong dapat abangan sa ating couple.